Alright, so that's all that you can find in the package. Of course, the king being the Raspberry Pi. But then it has this cool little case. It has this case for it. It has power supply. This thing here. Now, I don't need to tell Steve how this works because he probably knows how that works better than I do, but if you insert the thing in the wrong one, you could burst. I can never remember which one it is, whether it's this one or this one, but they really should make it with different ports, but if you put the wrong power supply in the wrong thing, then it blows up. So I think that was one of the issues with the Pi 4 that I did not particularly like, but yeah. There you are. There you are. There's always going to be something that you don't particularly like in the new technology that you just bought. So, yeah. That's just part of life. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you guys out.
Likey.